Welcome to the annual Chinese New Year Festival. And look, see these makeups? They're ready to perform their traditional Chinese New Year dance. And here comes the first one. A guy that's marching down, which is giving everyone the red envelopes. It is the Vice President, Rubella. He likes this New Year. The firecracker sound. And then sore throat comes. Actually, the line dancer, Samilla's coming. Eats all the VCs that was come from the rubella. The firecrackers sound again. Dun 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 dun. Well, these guys play the music. Dun 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 dun. Soon, Measles comes out. He's performing as just a regular guy saying hello on Chinese New Year. Hello, and he's handing with everyone the red envelopes. And at last, one of the last ones, chicken pox. Dun 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 dun. He's performing a fashion show with some of the other makers, which are doing the fashion show too. You do 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 do.